Let's learn a bit about middleware in Drupal to create an HTTP filter for user redirection. Since Drupal 8, we have a middleware API that is adopted from the broader PHP community. This one-liner from their project page captures it well. Symfony's HTTP kernel interface provides a solid interface which makes creating and sharing framework-agnostic HTTP filters a breeze. So if you want to learn more from the middleware API, look at this documentation. It's not that extended, but there's a little bit in it, and you will see in Drupal core the following concepts are implemented via Stack PHP middlewares. And these are things like session handling, internal page cache, things we do before the HTTP kernel will dispatch events. And what are events?